Hi and welcome to the short tutorial, but this video is not short. This is the long tutorial as I will teach you complete Capcut application. So stay connected till the end and subscribe to this channel if this video really helps you out. In this video I will cover basics of the Capcut. First of all, I will show you how to import clips in the Capcut application. Then I will show you how you can attach two or many clips in the Capcut application and make a complete video. Then I will show you how to add transitions in your Capcut application. Then I will show you how to do the color adjustment in the Capcut in your video. And then I will show you how to slow-mo or fast your video according to your music. Then I will show you how to add music in your video and many other things. Let's start the video. And again, if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel and don't miss any part of the video. After viewing this video, you will be able to completely use the Capcut application. So let's start our video. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Capcut application. So if you don't have Capcut application, simply download it from here. And if you already have the Capcut application and it's not up to date like this, simply click on this update button so you can use a updated version of the Capcut. So let's open the Capcut application, and our first point is that how you can import clips in the Capcut application. As you will see, I have many clips here that I had import in my Capcut. So first of all, you have to click on the new project. Once you will click on it, here you will see I have different clips here. So let's merge any of the two clips from here. So let's suppose I want to attach this and this clip, or I want to import these clips in my project. So simply on the right bottom you will see add clip option. So as you will see, this is the main screen where you can see your clips. So I have import two clips right here. So this is the timeline, as you will see. Now as you will see, I have import two clips and these two clips are already merged. And if you want to add more clips in your timeline, simply you have to click on this plus icon and you can add many clips from here. As you will see, I add one more clip here. So right now here is 3 videos that are imported here and it's completely merged right here. So now how you can add transitions in your video. So these are the two different clips. As you will see this straight line icon right here. So you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, transitions are here. Here you will see basic camera MG slide effect mask. So select transitions according to your choice. So let's suppose I want to apply the camera transitions here. So I simply select this transition, and you can select also time duration like this. So I adjust to it. So this is the speed of the transitions. So adjust your speed and the transition from here, and you can simply click on this tick button from here from the right bottom. So I did it. So play this video, and as you will see, transition is working now two clips are merged with the transition. So now we talk about the color adjustment. So let's suppose I don't like the color adjustment of this video. So simply you can click on it and scroll to the left, and here you will see adjustment option. So click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, highlight. So adjust your brightness from here. As you will see, colors are changing. So if you are a TikToker, this video is very useful for you. Then go to sharpen and then go to the highlight, and then after the complete adjustment simply click on the stick button on the right bottom. So this is the color adjustment. Also you can apply filter from here. So you can see different filters are also available here. So click on the stick button. Moreover, you can click on the edit button from here by selecting a clip, and you can also crop it from here. So if you want to crop your video, you can also do this. Simply adjust according to your choice, and once you will do it, simply click on the stick button on the right. So as you will see, this video is cropped now. You can also crop video from it. Moreover, you can, if you want to apply the slow-mo effect on this video or any other clip. So let's suppose this is the clip I want to make a slow-mo. Select this clip and you will see on the bottom menu speed option. So simply click on this speed, and here you will see two options, normal and the curve. So in the normal you can simply slow-mo complete video, and in the curve you will see slow and the fast effect in this pattern. Like first of all it will slow, it's normal, then it will fast, and then it will upside mean it's fast, downward mean it's slow. So you can also adjust your curve according to your choice. So you can see this effect like this. So this is the way to give slow-mo and the fast effect. Moreover, you can apply effect on it. As you will see, video effects are here. So these are the trending and these are the Christmas effects, and you can also see the 2020 effects right here. As you will see, this is very attractive. I just downloading it. So as you will see, effects are here. Then click here. Other thing is that go back and you can apply text in your video. You can add text templates and auto captioning option right here. So to add simple, you have to click on the add text, and text is here. So you have to write your text. This is tutorial video. Okay, once you will do it, text is here. Now you can apply effect on it, and you can also change color from here. You can also change the fonts and the effects from here, and you can also apply bubbles like this, and you can also apply animations on it like this, click on out. Different transitions are here. You can also apply in loop, click on the tick. So this is all about. Now you can let's suppose if your video have the audio that you want to add in your clip, simply click on the mute click from here, and you can simply add a music in your video. So how you can do it, simply click on this plus icon. Sorry, here you will see audio option in the bottom. Click on it, and here you will see sound effect, and you can use these audio, or you can simply use music from your device. So I simply use this audio because Right now I don't have any music. You can, sorry, music is added but it's not a right place, so I simply add sound again from here. As you will see, sound it is added now, it's here. You can cut any of the clip by tapping on it, then you can split it from here, and you can also delete it from here. So now I will show you how you can create a shortcut video with the CapCut. So this is the shortcut. Like if you don't want to do the effort in your video, you want to auto edit your video, simply click on the shortcut and select any clip on which you want to apply the shortcut, and now click on the next. It's automatically edit your completely video, as you will see analyzing clip. So I just give the video, it's automatically edit complete the video. So as you will see, complete effects are here, and this is the short video. You can simply export from here. Simply select the resolution, click on the done and export. Now if you have added your video from the main editor, simply how you can export it, you have to click here and select the 1080p resolution, because this is the best resolution by the CapCut, and simply you have to click on this arrow to export this video. So once you will do it, after edit your video will be finally export to your device, and you can upload it anywhere. So CapCut is the best application to edit your video, and hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, or you want to know more feature of the CapCut, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.